What up, YouTube? Let's see if we can get it to start. Put a little bit of gas in it. Turn the gas on. Check for leaks. Not seeing any leaks yet. That's good. Hope we got a leak on one of them. Where's that coming from? Looks like the middle one. Okay. Turn the fuel off. Where's that from? From I don't know, let's see, we'll still try to start it anyway. We'll still find out if it runs. Let's see. Might have to get the starter out. Let's spray some ether in there, some starter fluid. Because I don't even think it's dripping anymore. Very strange, it's not dripping anymore. Alright, let's see what we got here. I remember this thing hasn't started in like 20 years, but I think it's gonna start right up. It's sounding like it wants to start. Take a little bit of starter fluid. Oh, you heard it running right there, boy. Do that one time. running right there, boy. What I'm doing when I'm coming back with it, I'm spinning that Bindex gear, the starter gear. That's why it's not starting. Come on, kid. Come on, girl. You know you want it. Best way is go to higher gear. Higher gear, put more force on that gear. Now watch. Hear that? A little bit more ether. So we're running. We're dripping. We're dripping out the one carb, which I'm gonna have to fix. But we're running. Run. I'm not smoking. Wait a second. Check the clutch. Clutch works. We're dripping. I gotta fix that car, but we're running. We're running, boys. Not only are we running, it has some power. It has some power. Whew, not bad for not running in 20 years. It wants this filter cover on it. Those carbs run with constant air velocity behind them, so with this on here, when I put my hand on it out there when I was riding, power. Power. Alright. Oh, that sucks. I gotta take that back apart. But it's alright. Look at the gas flow through that. It's just this one carb. Just the one carb. Turn it off. Whew. Yeah, it was good, really good. Oh, yeah?
That's probably another reason they put in the backyard the Vindex gear. I'm gonna show you a little bit of riding around. You wanna see? There you go. I'll come back with another video of us riding. After I fix that carburetor. Oh, I gotta put it away, never mind.